Hello, welcome back to Baking in Quarantine. Today we will be making Cookie Monster themed chocolate chip cookie balls. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and like this video. You will need chewy Chips Ahoy, chocolate chip cookies, chocolate icing, and chocolate melting disc. I used about 10 cookies. 10 cookies, and then I split them apart. I set one aside, like an extra one aside, so then I still had 10 in the bowl. Now you're going to crush them until it is very crushed. You can also do this in a food processor, but I just did it by hand. Now you're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of your chocolate icing and add that in, and another one, and then mix that up. Till it is all well combined, and then I ended up having to add one more, and it should look like this, and you should be able to form balls with it. Now you're going to form balls and sit them on a plate and put it in the freezer. Now crush up your cookie. Set it to the side. Set your timer for 30 minutes, and that's how long you want to wait for the cookie balls to be done. 30 minutes later, they are very hard. It should sound like ceramic. Now you're gonna melt your wafers, and if you want it to be Cookie Monster themed, use blue wafers and break them up until they are very broken up, because that will make them easier to melt. Start with 1 minute. Mix. Insert for 45 seconds. Now spray some oil and mix it in, because this will make it easier to cover the balls with. Now take a ball and cover it. Now sprinkle your cookie crumbs on top of each. Until they are all covered with cookie crumbs. You don't have to cover the whole thing. I just did the tops. And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video.